So now we will see that we can change the colors of links, because by default unvisited link is underlined and it is blue because we have already clicked. So visited link is underlined and purple, which is this is the case. And there is another which is active link is underlined and red. So if I click on it, you see this is red and underlined. So if we want to change these colors, we can do by styling these links. So let's create a tag of style. Okay, so this is a, now we are touching CSS. We want to change the color of this tag A, so we have to put the tag name, which is A, and then the link, and then these brackets. So what we want to change, so the color should be green, for example. Background color should be transparent, and the text decoration should be none. So text decoration is whether it is underlined or not. So you see it has already changed, the underline has gone. Now we have only changed one property, so we have to change 1 2 3 4, in total 4, so 3 more. The next one, which is visited. So what kind of colors we should have when we have already visited a link? So the color should be for example pink. Background color should be transparent. Okay, and text decoration is always none, because we don't want that it is underlined. You see, we have already visited that link, so the color has changed and the color is pink now. Another property is when we hover on a link. So for example, when I hover on a link, the color should be red, for example. So color should be red. Okay, background color should be transparent, and text decoration should be underlined. So when I hover, it should be, you see, it should be how it should be color, it should be red color, and it should be underlined. So red and underline. Another one is active. When I click on it and I keep clicking, for example a active, the color should be yellow. Okay, and then background color should be transparent, and text decoration underlined. So when I click, it should be yellow. You see, it is yellow. Let's change color to black because we cannot see that. Okay, here you go. When I click, it is black. When I remove my cursor from that link, it becomes pink. Yes, pink, because this is the color we have chosen. So this is how you can change the properties of link tag.